If you're running Facebook or Google ads and you're getting clicks but not getting clients, this video is for you. You've probably spent money, boosted posts, followed the tutorials, and yet your leads are either non-existent or completely unqualified. By now you're probably completely frustrated, maybe even wondering if ads even work in your industry. Truth is, you're likely missing one or more critical pieces. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly why your ads aren't converting, how we fix this for our clients every day, and how you can start getting better results now. By the end of this video, you'll know the top 3 reasons why your ads are underperforming, plus 2 bonus tweaks that can boost your conversions fast. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you how you can get a free audit of your actual ads. Sound good? Let's go. The first and most common issue I see is this. You're sending traffic to the wrong place. Too often people are running solid ads, but they're sending people to their homepage, which is cluttered, distracting, and not built for conversions. Or they're sending them to a page that isn't set up for your conversion event. Or they're sending traffic to a landing page that doesn't match the promise in the ad. That disconnect causes confusion, and confused people don't buy. So here is the fix. Use a dedicated landing page for each ad campaign. Your headline should match the ad copy and have one clear call to action, no menus, no distractions. If your ad says get your free guide, but your landing page just talks about your general business, you're gonna lose people. You want the message to match, have visual consistency, and a clear call to action. All right, number 2, this one's huge. Most ad campaigns fail because they assume the viewer is ready to buy, when in reality, the person might just be realizing that they have the problem. Let me give you a quick framework. People move through different levels of awareness. 1, unaware. 2, problem aware. 3, solution aware. 4, product aware. And 5, most aware. Your cold ads need to speak to those earlier stages and include things like education, value, and empathy. Now you can use warm ads to introduce your solution, and then hot ads to hit them with urgency and a call to action. The takeaway here is just don't use the same message for everyone. If you're trying to propose marriage on the first date, you're gonna hear no. All right, number 3, we're going to talk some data. A lot of people look at reach, clicks, and even likes, but those numbers are vanity metrics. They feel good, but they don't actually tell you if your ad is working. You need to know cost per lead, conversion rate, the customer acquisition cost, and your ROAS, return on ad spend. Are you tracking actual conversions? Do you have your Facebook pixel installed? Is Google Analytics set up properly? Are you using UTM parameters? If you're not, you're flying blind. Data isn't just about measuring performance, it's how you're going to improve your performance. So be sure you have your Facebook pixel installed on your website and it's tracking correctly. Be sure you have your Google Analytics account connected to your website. And if you Google UTM Builder, you'll find a website where you can build URLs with UTM parameters in them, which will allow you to start tracking your links in Google Analytics. All right, bonus tip number 1. One of the fastest ways to improve ad performance is to test small elements. Change the headline, test a new image, try a shorter form, adjust your call to action. We had one client double their leads just by swapping out a stock photo with a real team photo. No other changes. Small hinges swing big doors. All right, bonus tip number 2. People need to trust you before they buy, so give them a reason to believe. Add testimonials near your call to action. Use real client success stories. Show the number of people who have downloaded or registered. Then create urgency. Use language like limited spots or offer expires soon. People don't act without pressure, so create that pressure. We worked with a service business that was doing $1 million+ a year. They were running Google ads and seeing traffic, but their landing page had a 2% conversion rate. We created a new landing page with better messaging and messaging that matched the ad, added trust elements like testimonials, and just simplified the design. This resulted in over an 8% conversion rate, and a cost per lead dropped from $67 to $19. It wasn't magic, it was fixing the funnel. If this sounds like what you're dealing with and you're tired of wasting money on ads that don't convert, I want to help. I'm offering a free ad audit. I will personally review your ad creative, landing page, and setup. You'll walk away with exactly knowing what's broken and how to fix it. Just click the link below or go to liquisdigital.com/audit and get your spot today. They will fill up and there are limited spots. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me what has been your biggest challenge in running ads. And if you want more videos on how to improve your website, your ad strategy, technology or your marketing systems, check out the other videos on our channel. We'll see you in the next one.